जी अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. I hope are you all good brothers and sisters. Welcome to Tajweed of Quran Academy Arabic Alphabet Sound Series by host Quran teacher Sumbal Mahmood. We are starting today letter MEEM and BA in the lesson 2. It is according to poem of letters. Lesson 2, we are starting Ba and MEEM. Inshallah, we will learn the letter poem in the next lesson. I intro the poem. We start Ma, Ba, Wa, Fa. So that's there. We are starting to MEEM and Ba today. So let's start now. MEEM. MEEM. Letter MEEM look like a lamb. A big round head, a big round head. You look like a big round head and long curvy tail, long curvy tail. MEEM is sounded ma. English alphabet is M, ma, MEEM. Example of MEEM with fatha ma, MEEM zabar alif ma. Maliki, Maliki, Ma. It's very easy, not a difficult. Maliki, kalma. Very simple. Kalma, Maliki, kalma. Ma in, ma in, humul, humul, humul. Okay, next letter is Ba. Join the inner parts of the lips. Ba, Ba. With fatha, example of Ba. Ba is only one without fatha and plus with fatha. Ba, MEEM, Ba, MEEM. Babun, babun. Ba'du, ba'du. Bal, bal tu'thiruna, bal iftarah, bal iftarah. Ba'da dhalika, ba'dun, abadan. Babun, abwabun. Ba. It's very simple. It's not difficult. Jazakumullahu khaira. Simple and easy. Alhamdulillah. In the next 10 to 11 session, we will complete the letters. Inshallah. See you in the next lesson. Keep praying. Rabbi zidni ilma. Wa alaikumussalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.